Here's the Westwood tractor lawnmower. They just put the deck on. All seems okay. We're just going to give it a start, make sure it runs okay. Georgina's just going to hold the phone. Just hold the phone, Georgina. Right, are you ready? Turn the ignition on. Ready? Okay, let's see if it'll start. There we are, it's running. Don't touch the gear stick, Georgina. Don't touch the gear stick. Can you turn the switch off? Turn the switch off. No, this switch here. Turn it off. That's it, that's the key to start it. Yeah, okay.
Can I have now?
You want to go and check. Jump on then. Jump on, but you mustn't operate the gear sticks.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. The key has to go in, yeah, but you mustn't touch the gear stick. Right, turn it to start. Turn it to start. Turn the key. Put it in and turn it.
I can't.
Let's have a look.
Oh, this is
That goes in there, look. And you turn it to start. You ready?
yeah.
Okay.